Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm recreating the Friends Thanksgiving leftover sandwich that has the gravy soaked piece of bread at the center of it all, called the Moist Maker. I've been wanting to make this sandwich for years now and finally saw my opportunity this year with all the leftovers hanging around. So let's dive into this recipe. Today's recipe is actually a really good utilization of leftovers. A lot of people have different variations of this sandwich. Delis are making it this time of year, and it's basically leftover turkey with toasted bread and cranberry sauce, gravy and stuffing and all the leftovers that you'll have after a holiday event or a gathering. And this is actually inspired by an episode of Friends during Thanksgiving or during the holidays. We love to watch the holiday episodes, and there's one episode where Monica, Ross's sister, makes him this leftover sandwich, and it has, I guess her sort of secret is this Moist Maker, where it's this gravy soaked piece of toaster bread that's smack dab in the middle. Anyways, he ends up not getting it. Someone steals it at work, and he gets super frustrated. But every time I watch this episode, I always want to recreate this sandwich. So today is the day. I'm gonna show you guys how to make the Friends Thanksgiving sandwich, or at least my take on it. All right, let's dive in. So, okay, leftovers. So let's get the turkey. Got some cranberry sauce, leftover gravy, got some mashed potatoes, some toast or some sourdough bread, just a few pieces left over, enough for the sandwich. And then I have some stuffing in the oven, just heating up and getting ready for the sandwich as well. So that's heating up in the oven, and I'm just gonna start picking away at my leftover turkey. Now for this sandwich particularly, I love using dark meat because a lot of people, for some reason, actually it's getting a little bit more popular nowadays, but they just sort of leave that on the side. Everyone tends to dive in with the white meat, so I love having different recipes and ideas to utilize the dark meat. Keep them nice and chunky. Don't shred them too much. At least that's how I like it. All right, that should be good. And then I'm gonna heat up the mashed potatoes on the stovetop. You could definitely microwave these if you want, but they're gonna take a while to heat up. If you were just to put it in the oven with all the fixings, just might as well get this hot. All right, turn that off. Should be good. Time to toast the bread. Now don't over toast the bread, and you're only toasting 2 pieces. In the middle, which is gonna be the fun part, is gonna be soaked in gravy, and that is the Moist Maker that makes this, at least what I think, the Friends sandwich. Ooh, this is the Moist Maker. Some leftover gravy. We keep this in like an old pickle jar from a local farm. Anyway, smear. You can warm the gravy up if you want, but I'm just gonna throw this in the oven. Oh, that looks good. Okay, in the oven. These are double toasted on both sides. And then the trick with this sandwich is definitely making sure you toast both sides of it, because it can be a pretty wet sandwich depending on how much gravy you put on it, or stuffing, or mashed potatoes and stuff like that. So, first down, I'm gonna do the mashed potatoes. And you could probably even go crazier with this. With leftovers, you get like green bean casserole and some other stuff, because they don't really mention in the episode exactly what's inside of it, other than that gravy soaked piece of bread. All right, so we're gonna do this layer by layer, because it's like a triple decker. Some gravy. Cranberry sauce is where it's at. I mean, I love homemade, but canned is what everyone's looking for. Just not too much, just a little pop. A little bit of stuffing, not too much. This is gonna be, again, like that kind of a bready, very filling sandwich. Just a few pieces of the stuffing to give it that Thanksgiving touch. Heat this in the oven until it gets nice and steamy. Let's see. Ow, ooh, that is hot. All right, so this is nice and toasty. Oh, and then the best part, the Moist Maker. Ooh. Oh my goodness. That goes down. Ooh, that looks so good. A little bit of mashed potato. Shredded dark meat. Me and Rachel could chow down on this thing. A couple little cranberry dollops here and there. A little bit more stuffing. Just a little bit, here and there. Back in the oven until it gets super toasty. gosh. Just a little bit of black pepper. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna, oh yes. All right, oh, this looks incredible. The Friends Thanksgiving sandwich, great idea with the moist maker, that gravy soaked piece of bread right in the middle. Very excited to dive in. All right, let's do it. What a fantastic sandwich. So good. I mean, it like embodies the whole idea of leftovers. I've had different variations of this at like different delis and like franchises where it's like the leftover Thanksgiving sandwich, and it just never like hits on all cylinders. I've had it just a few times in a different few spots, and just never really is as good as homemade leftovers that have like heart and soul baked into them and just have sort of a different aspect of love. So I definitely recommend you guys trying this out. If you guys did enjoy it, like this video, subscribe to my channel, drop a comment letting me know what type of leftovers you'd like to see in the future, different recipes like this. Ingredients will be in the description box, so check that out. And I will see you guys next time with another recipe. Later, folks.